Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and clearing your workspace, safety first. Once done, remove keycaps systematically and photograph the layout so you can reassemble correctly. Next, use a small Phillips driver to open the top screws while holding the board steady to avoid stripping. Make sure to set every screw in a labeled tray and note any springs or stabilizers separately. This initial teardown reveals bent mounts or loose brackets. Inspect those now so you know which components need tightening or replacement. Now focus on the structural problem: mounts, standoffs, and the table frame. First, identify cracked plastic or missing threads by gently flexing the area. This tells you whether to reinforce or replace. If threads are stripped, insert a nylon spacer or a metal washer to distribute load. For cracks, apply quick-setting epoxy and clamp until cured. Once dry, retest the fit and trim excess. Make sure to align screw holes precisely so screws don't cross-thread, and verify the keyboard sits flat on its supports. Finish by reversing the teardown. Place the PCB back, align standoffs, and hand-tighten screws in a cross pattern to avoid warping. Once assembled, press every key to confirm travel and electrical contact. If a key sticks, remove its keycap and check stabilizer alignment. To reduce residual wobble, add thin foam or rubber dampers under problematic areas. If problems persist, systematically swap suspect parts like the plate or standoffs to isolate the fault. This targeted replacement saves time and ensures a lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.